Good afternoon, students. See the diagram. Here three function is there. Blue color one function, violet color one function, and navy blue color and another functions. If you see all function means in this function x tends to x naught. See, x tends to x naught. X naught you can see in x-axis. X naught, that means x tends to limit x tends to x naught. Limit x tends to x naught from 0 to x naught. 0 to x naught is a left hand limit, and x naught to some function x naught to x naught plus h, that means is some interval. See, if a left hand limit and a right hand limit both are equal, both are symmetric. See, if a what is the area covered by the left hand limit, that same area covered by the right hand limit also. So in this case, the left and right is equal to right hand limit, is equal to right hand limits. If it is both are equal, means this type of function is called continuous functions. But that is we can discuss the later. But you can see given the three functions, blue color, violet color, navy blue color, and every functions is left hand limit and right hand limits are equal. If a left hand limit means the put the symbol x tends to x naught minus, upper the minus. If a limit x tends to x naught, upper plus means that is called right hand limit. If you put symbol plus means right hand limit, put the symbol minus means that is called left hand limits. Okay, it's mentioned by direction only. So what is you know these three functions are left and right limits are equal. Left and right limits are equal. See exercise 9.3. Find the left and right limits of these functions at x equal to minus 2. That means at the function x, already I told you know x naught. Here x naught is minus 2. X equal to minus 2. That means x naught equal to minus 2. You have to find left and right the limits. If you want to find left limit means limit x tends to minus 2, upper C minus symbol is there. So see, minus symbol is there. That means x tends to minus 2, left hand limit. If you left hand, first of all you can simplify the function. X square plus 4x plus 4 factorize means x plus 2 into x plus 2 will come. After cancellation we get this function. So if a left hand limit, that limit is approaches at x tends to minus 2. So you can put minus 2. We get the answer minus infinity. We get the answer minus infinity. Minus 4 by 0 means minus infinity. Next we can see right hand limit. That is right hand limit also put the symbol x tends to minus 2 only, no? So minus 2 by that also minus infinity. Though is a symmetric function. What is the reason? It's a left hand limits and right hand limits are equal. Left hand limits and right hand limits are equal answer, equal area covered. Next find the left and right the limits of the f of x equal to tan x. If a given tan x means that is x equal to pi by 2 means tan pi by 2 is infinity. So that function is not exists at x equal to pi by 2, but it is exists for both right and left. Both right and left. So right means is a more than pi by 2. If left means is less than pi by 2. Okay, that is x is for left and right, but is not exist at x is equal to pi by 2. So see, tan x tends to pi by 2. If your left side means, see, pi by 2 is first quadrant. If you go left side means if you go to second quadrant. So second quadrant is tan is what? Negative. So we can answer is minus infinity. If you tan go plus means, plus side means is go to fourth quadrant. Okay, fourth quadrant ASTC. In fourth quadrant also cos only positive, tan negative. So that also minus infinity. So it's a symmetric functions. Okay, left side and right side. See that exam point of view, this is not important for you, but what is the reason means it is already that last year also they deducted portions. These are all, even though I am teaching now. Okay. See sum number 2. Evaluate the limits. Limit x tends to 3. Simplify. X square minus 3 square means x plus 3 into x minus 3, x square. X square minus 6x plus 9 means x minus 3 into x. So x minus 3 is cancelled. We get the answer is limit x tends to left hand limit. We get the answer infinity. Right hand limits also 3 minus 3 0. So infinity. So left and right, this function is symmetric functions. Already I will show the diagram now, that type of functions. Left and right, the same area is covered. Next sum number 3. Given x tends to infinity. Infinity means you can get the, if 1 by infinity is 0. 1 by infinity is 0. So we can change the form of 1 by x form. First of all, you can simplify this. After factorize, we can take the LCM. After simplification, we get this form. So finally, we get a 1 by x plus 3. See the simplification. Now, they are asking x tends to infinity. Infinity means we can take out the x. If we any time we can, they are asking limit x tends to infinity means we can change into the 1 by x form. First of all, if we can take x means x by x plus 3 by x. Then only you can multiply x by x means 1. 1 into x we can use that. X into 3 by x means x cancel, we can get the answer is 3. Okay, so after simplification this. Now that function is in that form, 1 by x form. Okay, substitute the limit. Limit 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity means 0. 0 into 1 by 1 plus 3 by infinity. 3 by infinity means 0. So 0 into 1 by 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 into 1, 0. Okay. So one side limit. To find the answer of right side limit only. They are asking limit means you can. Suppose they are asking left and right means we can find out the both side. Okay, next problem. That also limit extends to infinity. Now you want a 1 by x form. So to take x cube first. Here x power 4. In numerator take the common x cube. Denominator x power 4. Finally we get this. See step by step. See the simplifications. Now substitute the limit. Limit, what is numerator? 1 plus 1 by infinity. What is denominator? Infinity into this. So 1 by infinity is 0. So the answer is 0. That fifth sum also x tends to infinity. Yes, in numerator you can take out x power 4, denominator x square. Substitute the answer x infinity into 1 minus 1 by infinity 0. So the answer is infinity. So f of x tends to infinity as x tends to infinity. If we take the limit x tends to limit means that the f of x is also tends to infinity. This type of functions is asymptote functions. See the next problem. What is the highest power? Okay, x cube. We can take out the x cube. If you take out the x cube means we get this. So limit x tends to infinity. Right side limit. 1 by x tends to infinity, 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 infinity. So 0 plus 0. 1 by infinity means 0. So minus 3 by 3 minus 1. See step by step. Okay. Next, sum number 7. Given the two functions. First of all, you have to simplify the function. Taking the LCM. After simplifications. So finally we get the x cube plus x square. Take out the x cube. X cube by x cube, x square by x cube. Take out the x square. Next the x. What is the reason means they are given x tends to infinity, we can get a 1 by x form. So finally we just see, given this function, after simplifications, finally we get this form. Substitute the limit. What's the answer? 1 by infinity 0. 2 into 2, 1 by 4. Okay. Do you understand or not? How to find the limit? Simplification and what is the reason means 0 by 0, infinity by infinity is an indeterminate form. So if we get this form means we can first of all we can simplify and then substitute. That we get the answer is infinity, that is correct only. If the answer is 0 means that is also correct. but we get 0 by 0, infinity by infinity means that is the indeterminate form. That is it's not correct form. See sum number 8. Yes, 1 plus 3 plus etc. plus. See, if we given this means what do you know? Yes, correct only. Sum of the natural numbers. Sum of the natural numbers up to n. So 3n square plus 7n plus 2 means we can factorize this. So first of all, what is the formula for sum of the natural number? N into n plus 1 by 2. Which one is highest power here? N square. So take out the n square. So after cancellation, n square cancel, we get only one n. Now finally we get this n plus 1 by 2, n into 3 plus 7 by n plus 2. Now we can take the n here. So n by n plus 1 by n. So n is cancelled. N by n is 1. So finally we get what the simplest form? 1 plus 1 by n divided by 3 plus 7 by n. Substitute the limit means 1 by 2, 1 plus 0, 3 plus 0 plus 0. The answer is this. Okay, see step by step.